In this video, we will explore the rich history and tourist attractions of Dar es Salaam, the former capital of Tanzania, and the largest city in East Africa and the sixth largest in Africa. Located on the Swahili coast, this city has a unique blend of African, Arab, and European influences. As we explore Dar es Salaam's history, you'll learn about its colonial past, cultural heritage, and economic significance. You'll also discover the city's top tourist attractions, including museums, churches, heritage buildings, and beaches. Despite being the largest city in Tanzania, Dar es Salaam has a relatively short history, having been founded only in the mid-19th century, which makes it a relatively new city compared to many others in Africa. In the 19th century, the area was still a small fishing village called Mzizima, which translates to healthy town in Swahili. However, in 1865, Sultan Majid bin Said of Zanzibar began building a new city nearby, which he named Dar es Salaam, meaning home of peace in Arabic. The city flourished under German rule, becoming a major administrative and commercial center in East Africa. With the construction of the Central Railway line in the early 1900s, Dar es Salaam experienced rapid industrial expansion. During World War I, British Empire forces captured the city, and it became part of the British Tanganyika territory. Under British indirect rule, the city developed separately, with European areas like Oyster Bay and African areas like Kariakoo and Ilala. After World War II, Dar es Salaam experienced rapid growth, and it became the capital of independent Tanganyika in 1961. When Tanganyika merged with Zanzibar to form Tanzania in 1964, Dar es Salaam remained the capital, despite efforts to relocate it to Dodoma in the 1970s. In the 1960s, Tanzania's socialist policies, known as Ujama, hindered the city's growth, but liberalization policies in the 1980s led to rapid development and expansion. Today, Dar es Salaam is a thriving metropolis with modern buildings, a vibrant economy, and a rich cultural heritage. If you like history and culture, Dar es Salaam has some interesting places of visit for you. Let's begin with the National Museum and House of Culture, one of the most important cultural institutions in Tanzania. The museum showcases the country's rich cultural heritage, with exhibits of history, art, and natural history. The museum's collection includes artifacts from the Stone Age, as well as exhibits of the country's colonial past and its struggle for independence. Visitors can learn about the country's diverse ethnic groups, including the Maasai, Chaga, and Hadzabe, and view traditional crafts and artwork. About 200 meters from the museum is the Askari Monument, a historical landmark that commemorates the African soldiers who fought in East Africa in World War I. The monument is located in a roundabout that marks the exact center of downtown Dar es Salaam and is a symbol of Tanzania's rich history. Built in 1927, it depicts an armed bronze soldier from World War I pointing his bayonet towards the sea. Near the waterfront is the St. Joseph's Cathedral, a beautiful Roman Catholic cathedral built in the early 20th century. The cathedral features stunning stained glass windows, intricate carvings, and a peaceful atmosphere. Visitors can attend a mass or simply admire the architecture and learn about the history of the Catholic Church in Tanzania. Between the St. Joseph's Cathedral and the Dar es Salaam City Hall is the Old Boma, one of the city's oldest buildings, built in 1866 by Majid bin Said, the Sultan of Zanzibar. The Boma now houses the Dar es Salaam Center of Architectural Heritage, with a permanent exhibition on the architectural heritage and evolution of Dar es Salaam. It also provides specific tourist information related to architecture and built heritage, and is a venue for temporary exhibitions on art, photography, and architecture. Other historical buildings in Dar es Salaam are the State House of the United Republic of Tanzania, also known as Ikulu, the Azania Front Lutheran Church, the Karimjee Hall, and the Masjid Mngazia Mosque. Another interesting cultural attraction is the Village Museum, located about 5 kilometers northeast of the city center. The Village Museum is an outdoor museum that features a collection of traditional houses from different ethnic groups, each with its own unique architecture and decor. Visitors can explore the villages and learn about the daily lives of Tanzanians, including their traditional crafts, music, and dance. The museum also hosts cultural performances and events, including traditional music and dance performances. If you like art, you must visit the Nafasi Art Space, a vibrant cultural center that showcases the best of Tanzanian art and culture. The space features a gallery, theater, and music venue, as well as cafe and restaurant. Visitors can enjoy exhibitions, performances, and workshops, and interact with local artists and musicians. The biggest green space in downtown Dar es Salaam is the Botanical Garden, established in 1893. This park features a wide range of plant species, including tropical flowers, trees, and shrubs. Visitors can take a leisure stroll, enjoy a picnic, or simply relax in the serene atmosphere. If you want to buy some souvenirs, you must go to the Kariakoo market, one of the busiest and most vibrant markets in Dar es Salaam. The market offers a wide range of local goods, including fresh produce, handicrafts, clothing, and souvenirs. Visitors can experience the sights, sounds, and smells of the market and interact with the friendly locals. Dar es Salaam's stunning coastline offers several breathtaking beaches, the closest to the city center being Coco Beach to the north and Bakresa Beach to the south. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you know other interesting places in Dar es Salaam that I forgot to mention, please write about them in a comment below. And remember that you can help our channel to grow by just pressing the like button and by sharing this video with your friends.